Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We got another copycat recipe. And for those who have that Bojangles in their neighborhood, you already know what that Bo-Berry biscuit like. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our flour. Now this is self-rising flour. Right here I have a stick of butter. I took a grater and I grated it. Right here we have a couple blueberries, some buttermilk, some powdered sugar, vanilla extract, more buttermilk here, lemon juice, baking powder, granulated sugar, salt, baking soda, and we have the yolk of 1 egg. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna take our flour here. We're gonna add our sugar, our salt, baking powder, and our baking soda. And we're gonna just get this mixed in. And guys, I did sift my flour. Make sure you sift your flour. All right, it's just that easy. Let's continue. All right, next we're gonna start adding our butter to our flour. And you wanna make sure this butter is cold. It's even hard to get out of here, so it's frozen. Well, not just cold, frozen. All right, and we're going to mix that into our flour like this to get it evenly distributed, just like that. Next, you're gonna go in with your egg. And I didn't put a whole egg in the shot. I just put the egg yolk in the beginning. But guys, you need a whole egg too. And you're gonna come behind that with your buttermilk. And you wanna make sure that this is cold, real cold. I had it in the freezer, so add your buttermilk along with your blueberries. And we're gonna get that baby folded in here. The important thing in this step is to not over mix it, but you do wanna get it well incorporated. All right, that's what we have. Now, here comes the dirty part. Let's go ahead and prepare our cutting board so we can get this dough kneaded and cut, all right? Now, in this step, we're gonna take some flour and we're just going to spread it all out over our cutting board. Yeah, it's gonna get dirty, guys, but oh well. Just gotta clean it up. That's it, you're just gonna have to clean it up. Make sure you add some flour to your hands also. That way the dough doesn't stick to your hands. We're gonna take our dough, we're gonna add it here to our cutting board. Sprinkle a little flour on the top like that. That way we can get it mashed around like this. And as you do, you're just gonna start kneading that baby just like this, folding it over. You wanna be kind of delicate with it because you do have those blueberries in there. And we're gonna continue to knead this until we get it well combined. Guys, I know this can be intimidating to make biscuits because I used to be the same way. I used to be intimidated to make them. But once I learned the techniques, I mean, it just becomes secondhand almost. All right, so now we got our biscuits kneaded like we want. And I'm gonna take a biscuit cutter and I'm just going to cut me out a biscuit. Guys, take a look at that baby there. That's a nice size right there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add it right here to a pan. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them. Let's get this one out. Same as that. All you do now is you just I guess re-kneading is another, is a word. You re-knead it so you cut out more biscuits. All right, so now that we have all our biscuits cut out in our pan, we're gonna take our egg yolk and we're just gonna brush the top of them with this egg yolk. This just helps it get that, get brown on the top. Now I've already have my oven preheated to 450 degrees. All right, we're gonna stick these babies in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes till their top is brown and it's cooked all the way through, all right? Let's go ahead and put these in our oven. All right, guys, so we are done. Let's pull this baby out. Let's see what we got. Guys, take a look at that. Ooh, let's head over to our cutting board so we can take a better look at it. Guys, take a look at what we have here. I'm gonna sit these aside, let them cool for about 5 minutes while we whip up this glaze sauce. That way we can go into the final presentation and we can jump into quality control because I'm ready. So now we're gonna start preparing our glaze for our biscuits. We're gonna add our powdered sugar here, along with our vanilla extract, our lemon juice, and our buttermilk, or you can use milk also. And we're just gonna get this baby mixed around, just like this. You'll see it starts to form a liquid. You wanna kinda get it smoothed out as much as possible as you mix it. All right, just like that. Let's continue. All right, so now we're gonna add our glaze over here. Guys, fire. There you have it, guys. Bojangles Bo-Berry Biscuit. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Guys, we're gonna jump into quality control because I know y'all ready to test these babies out. Oh, my bad. Y'all ready for me to taste these babies out. Let's go. All right, we back in here. Quality control. Y'all been waiting on this, but I've been waiting on it too. Take a look at these Bo-Berry biscuits. Man, come on, stop playing with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these babies. Oh, let's come back to the front of the congregation with that baby. We're just gonna open that. We're gonna open that thing up right there on there. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. This baby Bojangling. Oh man. Fire. Fire. Yeah, listen, this is another adder to your things to cook. You can have this for breakfast or you can make it for dessert. It's that sweet and it's that good. And for those who don't know nothing about Bojangles, that's a fast food chain. They used to have one in Alabama, and I used to love them Bo-Berry biscuits, dog. So if you don't have one in your area, you can make your own Bo-Berry biscuits. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.